Assalamualaikum to Prof Madya Shukri Shamsuddin. We are from Group 8 and our group member is Amirah Hussin, Shazwina Amiera Shamsuddin and Maisarah Bt Sukor. Today our group would like to present about analysis of car selling price.
Next is our objective. Our objective is to analyze the selling price of three cars which are brand Mercedes-Benz GLC 250, BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz E200. Next, our objective is to give the best cars recommendation to a prospective buyer based on a few aspects.
Analysis of selling price according to year. 2019 selling price are higher than 2017 and 2018 corresponding to selling price. Other than that, 2017 and 2018 means and median selling price are lower than 2019's mean and median. Next, 2019's interquarter range is larger than 2018 and 2017. The p-value in the ANOVA, which is 0.0, indicates that there are differences between the selling price of the car. The small p-value also proves that the selling price and year are dependent on each other. There is a difference of the selling price between the year 2018 and 2019 because the p-value is smaller than significance level. For the year 2017 and 2018, there are also difference of selling price because the p-value is smaller than significance level. Analysis of selling price according to brand. Brand Mercedes-Benz GLC 250, which is brand 1, has the highest selling price than brand BMW 5 Series, which is brand 2, and brand Mercedes-Benz E200, which is brand 3. Brand Mercedes-Benz E200 has the lowest selling price, and it has the wide interquarter range than brand Mercedes-Benz GLC 250 and brand BMW 5 Series. Since the p-value is larger than the significance value, thus there are no significant differences between the selling price of the three brands of car. From the ANOVA result, we can conclude that the selling price is independent on the brand. Analysis of selling price according to the mileage. The car with mileage less than or equal to 50k, which is mileage 1, has the lowest value for the highest and lowest selling price than cars with mileage above 50k, which is mileage 2. The car with mileage above 50k has bigger interquarter range than cars with mileage less than or equal to 50k. The p-value is smaller than the significance level. Thus, it can conclude that there are differences between the selling price of the cars according to the mileage. We also found that the selling price and the mileage are dependent on each other. Analysis of sample mean. The average of selling price of the car is estimated to be around Rm 2,054,589.289 With 95% confidence level, we found that the range of the car's selling price is between Rm 2,048,967.380 and Rm 2,060,211.197.
Analysis of brands versus mileage. The p-value is 0.187, which is larger than significance level 0.05. We can conclude that the brand and mileage are independent to each other. Analysis of year versus mileage. The p-value is 0.000, which is smaller than significance level 0.05. We can conclude that the brand and mileage are dependent to each other. Analysis of sample proportion, which is mileage less than 50k. The sample proportion is simply the number of observed events, which is the number of cars with mileage of less than or equal to 50k, 77 cars divided by the sample size, which are 90 cars. We are 95% confident that between 0.783 and 0.929 of all used cars are mileage of less than or equal to 50k. Analysis of proportions of car with mileage less than or equal to 50k in year 2017 to 2018 compared to 2019. Based on the sale frequencies by level, the mileage for 50,000 km and below in 2017 is lower and in 2019 is higher than 2018. For the mileage above 50,000 km, 2017 is higher than 2018 and 2019, while 2019 is lower than 2018. Then, we fail to reject the null hypothesis at 95% significance level, and there is not enough evidence to conclude that the proportions of 2019 compared to 2018 and 2017 combined.
Next is recommendation and conclusion. In our summary, there is stated that using one-way ANOVA, we get to know that the different types of car does not affect the selling price, but the selling price will have an immediate change based on the year of the car. Basically, we can get through a lot of brands to satisfy the needs and choose an affordable price following the year of the car and the mileage. Next, the brand of the car does not affect the mileage of the car, while the year of the car will affect the mileage of the chosen car. In conclusion, we recommend the used car that is brand-free, which is Mercedes-Benz E200 that have a low mileage and the latest year of car based on the data in box plot. We choose brand-free because it has the lowest of lower selling price and the range of the mean of selling price is wider than others. We will have variety choice of car to buy following our range of budget. Besides that, we consider to choose to have a low mileage of the car since it is also having the lower mean of selling price than the ones that have the higher mileage. Usually, the used car that has low both of selling price and mileage is because the seller did not make any repairs and conversion before the car was sold. It is also meaning that the car is in a good shape. Lastly, we choose the used car that has the latest year. A latest car with a low selling price is better, which is the used car with year of 2019. Since the range of mean in 2019 is the widest, we will have a variety of choice and we can have an affordable selling price according to our limits. We will have a short term of advantage if we choose the oldest year of car, and it is always at risk since it's been used for a long time. If we increase our budget within the limit, then we can afford. It is worth it as it is a long-term use. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.